Heavy rains are expected on Friday as what remains of Debbie starts to head up the eastern seaboard.
People in flood-prone parts of our area are now preparing for that potential flooding. Alexis Davila on your corner in Fells Point this morning. Alexis, what are they doing to get ready?
Yes, well, neighbors and business owners here in Fells Point, they know how relentless these storms can be and the damage they leave behind. That's why these last few hours are crucial for you and your family to stock up on supplies. Now, dozens of people were able to actually grab some sandbags yesterday at 3 sites in Baltimore, including the one here in Fells Point near Broadway Pier. The wind and rain from Tropical Storm Debbie could cause roadways to be submerged. The city's Department of Transportation expects even higher tides and rain later this week, possibly causing isolated floods. That's why you want to grab some supplies for your home like food and water that can last for a week in case flooding prevents you from leaving your home. Also pack an emergency kit with medications, batteries, rain gear, and even supplies for your pet. Now, another action you can take as well is also learning about those evacuation routes, what works best for you and your family. Another thing I recommend that you do is grab a box or a bin and also pack that up with some supplies, such as your phone charger, some batteries, flashlights, even a blanket as well, along with some food. That way you are prepared with your supplies ready to go in case you need to hit the road. On your corner, I'm Alexis Davila for WJZ.